What are you doing, Hasib? Looks cool.
Creating a cool game using Scratch.
Can I see that maze and rocket?
Sure. Let me show you.
Hello, kids! This is your Captain AHS. Ever wished your Scratch characters could fly like superheroes or zoom like rockets? With the glide block, you can make your sprites slide smoothly across the screen. Get ready to learn how to glide around and make your games and stories super cool.
I wish my kite could fly all over the screen like those real ones.
Let's make it happen with Scratch. We'll use the glide block to make the kite fly smoothly. Adds a cloud sprite in Scratch. Drag the when green flag clicked block. Then add glide 2 seconds to X, 100 Y, 100 to make it glide smoothly.
Wow. It flew like a real cloud.
Now you can tell it where to glide and how fast.
I made a space cake delivery game. Want to see the cake fly to customers?
Yes, Chef Commander. Show me how it works.
Firstly, we will select the cake sprite. And then 3 ghosts like alien 1 and 1. Then working on each alien gliding position. For every alien first we will select the green flag code block. Then glide block from motion category and set their setting according, and each alien has different positions, so watch it carefully, and after when done with 3 of them click on the green flag of how it works.
That cake's faster than our home delivery.
We can add the sound and points when it glides. What are you doing, Hasib? Looks cool.
Creating a cool game using Scratch.
Can I see that maze and rocket?
Sure. Let me show you. First of all, we will select the rocket. Then we will select the maze backdrop. As it is not available, we will upload it. We will start working on the codes and select the when space key pressed and gliding code for motion like glide 1 second to X, minus 100 Y, 100. Glide 1 second to X, 0 Y, 50. Glide 1 second to X, 100 Y, minus 100. Glide 1 second to X, 150 Y. And set them accordingly and check if it works.
That's awesome. It glides like it's dodging lasers.
Now it's time for the quiz. In Scratch, what does the glide block make a sprite do? Option A, jump up and down. Option B, move smoothly from one place to another. Option C, spin in circles. Option B, move smoothly from one place to another. What is the glide block used for in Scratch? Option A, to make the sprite talk. Option B, to make the sprite move smoothly. Option C, to make the sprite grow bigger. Option B, to make the sprite move smoothly. How do you make a sprite glide to a specific position in Scratch? Option A, use the glide block with the coordinates. Option B, use the turn block. Option C, use the go to block. Option A, use the glide block with the coordinates. What Scratch feature allows you to repeat a section of your song multiple times? Option A, it makes the sprite turn around. Option B, it makes the sprite move from one place to another slowly. Option C, it makes the sprite jump up. Option B, it makes the sprite move from one place to another slowly. What can you change in the glide block in Scratch? Option A, the sprite size. Option B, the time it takes to glide and the destination. Option C, the background music. Option C, by using the change tempo block. Ever wished your Scratch characters could fly like superheroes or zoom like rockets? With the glide block, you can make your sprites slide smoothly across the screen. Get ready to learn how to glide around and make your games and stories super cool. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.